So you need leads and you're thinking about changing brokerages? I'm going to give you all the reasons why you need to come to eXp Realty. My name is Tanya Van Rickley, been in the business 23 years, and I'm a national team leader with eXp. I have 35 people in my downline, and I've helped other eXp 7th level lines build their downlines. So I know the tools and why you should be at eXp. So number one is the low fees. For one, you're not going to have to pay desk fees and royalties and all that. Number two, people are coming here because of the remote access to the trainings and the office. If you're one of those people that said, oh, I need an office, I feel like I need people, I need accountability, you probably did what I did and what everybody else is doing. You never go in the office, especially if you're a realtor. You're basically with your clients, and then when you go in the office, either nobody's there or you just get super distracted and sidetracked with talking to people that are definitely not optimistic about the market. It's a huge distraction. The second reason is the training goes back to us being virtual. We're in about 27 countries. We have over 80,000 agents. And if you are watching anything on social media and Facebook, you're going to see that all the expansionist teams and tons of independent brokerages are coming to eXp. Why? Because one, they can't keep up with technology. We are a tech company with a real estate emphasis. So they can't keep up with technology. They can't keep their people. If you're a team leader and you are struggling with retention of your team, because you can't train them, you can't keep up with technology or even afford technology, then that's another reason why you want to come to eXp, because we train them. I actually train a lot of my downline. I'll train their team, and then I'll train them on how to use the tools, so we are all leveraging our time. So let's go back to the training. There are a lot of changes with the NAR lawsuit right now, and a lot of the new agents and experienced agents do not know how to have the buyer-broker agreement conversation, what to write in the contract. eXp has contracts classes for your state every single week. You want to know what else they do if you're afraid to get back into real estate, or you're a team leader and you just don't have time to go over contracts problems? Our brokers will review your contract for you. You send the contract up, or you go into the world and say, hey, I just wrote this contract. Can you review it so you and I don't get sued? And so I can protect my buyer or a seller. That's huge, because I'll tell you that holds a lot of people back. So contracts classes, contracts reviews. We have a buyer toolkit, a seller toolkit with downloadables that are already done for you marketing. You don't even have to pay a marketer anymore. On top of that, we have listing presentations and buyer presentations. And if you come in our line, the Grow Global Realty Network line, you are going to get some of the top leaders in the entire country that have shared their listing presentations that help them become the top listing expert. We're going to give you geo farming strategies and help coach you around it. You're basically going to get free coaching. When you come over to eXp, especially our downline, you get free coaching. Like, we literally coach you, we motivate you. Because it's one thing to have, everybody says, oh, we have training, oh, we have this, and then what do? They send you to a portal and you have 2,000 hours of training, and they say, hey, watch this training, let me know when you're done, and let me know how I can help you, right? And you're like, yeah, I watched all the training, but here's the problem. I don't know where to freaking start. And that's where we help you, because there's all different personality styles. You know, there's the extrovert personality style, there's the introverted personality style, there's all that. But let's talk about leads. eXp gives you free leads, okay? And I'll tell you what that means. It's when you come over to eXp, you get a free CRM. You actually get 3 CRMs to choose from, but with our KV Core Bold Trail, you basically can go in to any listing that eXp has. You can make a flyer, you can make a link to your website, or you get a free website that's beautiful. You get an IDX search site, so you're already like in business right away. You don't have to like go pay for all these things. But anyways, let's go back to leads. So if you have a listing, or someone has a listing in eXp, or a open house listing, all you have to do is go into the listing, right? Hit the link, and within 2 seconds, it gets uploaded to your Facebook page. Let me just tell you what happened to me yesterday. I was showing agents this, and I got a $2 million lead that got texted to me just because I posted a property on Facebook. The other thing is you could boost properties on Facebook. If there's a cool property in your area, it's not even your own listing. Basically, eXp helps you leverage other people's listings so you can drive leads to your CRM, and now you have buyer and seller leads that you didn't have to pay for. If you want to go a little bit bigger, we have a boosting option, and all you do is you go boost. Do you just love it and walk it in the creek? I'm here in Colorado, by the way. You boost the listing, and then you can pay like, I think, $15, $20, $60 for however many days you want. And then now you're also getting buyer leads, and they go straight into your CRM. It's never been easier to generate organic leads. It's never been easier to go to this listing and go, oh, I'm gonna do an open house on this. I want a flyer, or I want door hangers, or I want this. It's a click of a button. And so we teach you how to generate leads organically with your free CRM that you have when you come over, okay? So now let's talk about revenue share. Revenue share. A lot of people, when they hear revenue share, they're thinking that they have to recruit. 90% of the people in our business that are making any money off revenue share, which is you get paid off of somebody's transaction. If they call you and say, hey Tanya, I've been watching you. I'm at whatever Keller Williams or Coldwell Banker or Compass. I just need change. My broker's great, but I'm not getting what I need. I just need change. Or they could say, you know, maybe my broker's not great, but a lot of times people just need change, and they know that no change, and they need to take massive action for their business to change. And they basically say, I want more information about eXp. And then you sign them up. And then if they go sell a house, guess what? You're getting RevShare and you're getting stock. So a lot of my friends have bought their second homes with their RevShare, their second homes with their stock. I've just been building this, and my stock is just building just because I'm sharing. Attracting is just sharing what you're doing, sharing classes that you're taking. Even if you're not productive yet, you just share workshops and classes and leadership, lessons. You can share listings that you have. You can share tips and tricks as a new realtor, or as a realtor that's gotten back into the business. That's called attraction. And with RevShare, you basically get to create passive income, which helps a lot of people, one, these days with gas, right? Feed their families. It also helps with marketing, right? Helps you reinvest back in your business. You can buy stock at a 5% discount. And so if you are thinking about a change, I've been doing this for a long time, 23 years, but coaching and collaborating with other coaches that could help you be successful, lead other people, grow your business or your RevShare passive income, but help you with your systems too. Because so many of you realtors have no systems. And then when the crap hits the fan, you're like, oh crap, I have no systems. I don't have a CRM. I can't geo-farm because I don't have a CRM. We'll teach you that. We'll teach you geo-farming that helps you have a 300 to 400% success rate. We'll help you also digitally farm where you don't have to spend money to send postcards. We can help you create your buyer kit, your seller kit, and help you look like $1,000,000. We even have an open house app that when people go into your open house, it goes right into your CRM. So then your CRM is working for you. And then the other thing is, if you're an aspiring leader, if you're like, gosh, Tanya, I want to do what you do. I want to coach. I want to lead. I want to do classes. I want to create something. I want to create a YouTube channel like you have with 300 videos, or like your leaders. And I want to work with people like Chris Heller, who's one of your business partners. I have more in me. I'm not just a realtor. If you're that person and you know that God designed you to be more, do more, you've always inspired people and you've always been that person, then call me maybe, because I can help you with that. I can help you create your signature talk. I can help you set it all up. I can help you create the Eventbrites. I can help you shine and be in your zone. John Maxwell calls it your strength zone, right? I can help you be in your strength zone. So there's 1,000 other reasons to come to eXp. Also, guess what? You can also do commercial. Hey, look at that. And now we can start doing leases. So there's so much here for you. And I would just hate for you to not take advantage of this opportunity because of your ego and because you're worried about what people will think, right? And you're like, oh my gosh, I don't know. Or your loyalty to people that aren't loyal to you. Because I'm gonna tell you right now that if you're at a brick and mortar brokerage, that model is dying. And if you haven't already thought about it, your team leaders who you're trying to be loyal to for the most part have already thought about it, have already interviewed with people, and they're gonna do it before you. So no change, no change. I would love to be in business with you. Follow us at Global Realty Org, Grow Org on YouTube. Follow me at Tanya Van Rickley on YouTube, and Chris Heller. We're all business partners. Basically, if you were to put something together and you wanted to be with someone that's focused on geofarming, I would sponsor you and then they would co-sponsor you. Now you're getting coached by multiple people. Free coaching. Serious? Are you serious? Are you kidding me now? And then if you wanted to grow a team, I have people you can co-sponsor if you want to grow an expansion team across the country. One of my business partners, Amanda Whitespear, and the Legacy team, they're in Texas. They have expansion teams all throughout the country. They're 9-time icon agents. She would be one of your coaches, one of your leaders. If that's who you are, let me know. And then you basically have other coaches. Chris Nolan he's an AI expert. Okay, I have Keith Everett, he's land and ranch expert. I have new agents that are crushing it if you wanted to be sponsored by us. And then you also were like, I'm a new agent though. I want to be paired with a new agent. Oh, guess what? Here's something else. You're going to be blown away by this. Another source of income, right? By the way, we have a $16,000 cap. I should have mentioned this in the beginning. Our cap here at eXp is $16,000. If you become an icon agent, right, it's usually about 35 transactions, between 20 and 35 transactions, I believe, then you basically get all 16,000 back in stock, okay? If you hit 16,000 and you're not an icon agent, then you get 100% commission. And a lot of you are like, oh, well, I want to go to a discount broker. Why? Like $85. Stop eating at Starbucks, okay? Stop buying beer or weed or whatever you're buying. I don't really know, snacks, and pay the $85 so you can get the value, because you cannot stay in this business if you are not staying top of mind, right? And you're not evolving every day because the business is changing rapidly. Anybody that I know who has gone to a discount broker that doesn't charge them anything, not even a fee, monthly fee or any split. I don't know one person who's successful. Not one. If you are, let me know. I don't know one. Now they're actually more confused than they ever were. A lot of these people have been in the business 15, 20 years and they don't even know how to operate in this industry anymore. Don't do that to yourself. You owe it to yourself to pay $85 a month to get coaching, to get done for you tools, to get a free CRM, to get a free website that helps you with free leads, to help you collaborate, to have, the tools when you need them. Because obviously, this as a realtor, you don't have the tools when you need them. Maybe you took 100 classes and you're like, oh my God, I took all the classes, but now I have a foreclosure. What do I do now? We have that for you, right? So this business is always changing and you need to invest in yourself, and $85 is worth it. And I would love to apply for the job of coaching you with my team, Global Realty Org, helping you be the best realtor you can be, believe in yourself, drive free leads, right? And build a team if you want to build a team. Or you could just build a modern team like I have and not have a team, but you have a RevShare team. You have business partners. So if you are interested in chatting, give me a call, 760-822-3502, or sign up below for a 15-minute session. And guess what? We're going to teach you how to stress less, how to have stress less and more success. Stress less, more success.